Hi, I'm Ashley from the Loopy Lamb, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today, I'm going to unbox my April 2020 Knit Crate. All right, so first things first, I wanted to point out that this month's Knit Crate came in this bubble envelope rather than the cardboard boxes that you're used to. It's still in the Knitcrate blue color, but not the little box that it normally comes in. It's not a bad thing. I think it's probably a little better for the environment, but it's still a plastic, and I don't know about whether it's recyclable or not. So let's open it up and find out what we got this month. Okay. So here is the yarn for this month. It is called Uru Yarn by Knitcrate in Sugared Sport. It is the colorway Ruby. It is a 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. It's a sport weight yarn. There are 300 yards or 274 meters in a 100 gram hank. And it says for the care, it's machine wash, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. So the label looks a little different than it normally does. Looks like they've used a different font. And I'm going to bring this up and see if you can see this better. But we've got these shiny pieces that are in here that they're called stellina. It's a little shinier than I expected it to be. I'd seen some previews on Knitcrate's Instagram feed, and these little strays were not something that I had noticed at that point. Normally I get the chill out vibe, and I think this month I've got the energize me vibe. And so I got this ruby. On the camera, to me, it's looking a little darker than it is in real life. In real life, it's more like a fuchsia color than the dark red that it looks to me to be on the screen. Okay, so we got 2 hanks of that in the bag this month. And so for a total, that would be 600 yards of yarn. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, it looks like this month's extra is this soak. It says modern care for the laundry you love. It's scentless, which I like because it says it's for a sensitive side, but I personally don't like strongly scented things. And it says, clean all the laundry you love with this rinse-free, environmentally friendly formulation. It's perfect for washing your laciest lingerie, softest sweaters, swimwear, handmade quilts, even baby clothes. Show your laundry and the planet some love. So that's kind of cool. We got this card. It says April 2020 is luminous. And it says, hello friends. We're doing things a little differently this month in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. Because the situation is changing on a daily basis, with businesses temporarily closing or running at reduced operating hours, we weren't confident we could count on getting a booklet printed for your April 2020 crate, which is more difficult to produce than a postcard like this. So this month, we are including our Inspirations booklet as a digital-only download. Please use the link below to download the booklet from our website. Once on our website, you'll also find a link to add the booklet to your Ravelry library. That's nice. All of us here at Knitcrate hope you and your family are staying safe in the midst of these uncertain times. And then so they give you the code to download that. And then over here it says, use this coupon code for 15% off your next order from Soak, plus get free shipping on orders of over $50. It says Soak is the best, easiest to use, most deliciously scented, no rinse laundry product anywhere. Soak is ideal for raw fibers, spinning, dyeing, and for the entire fiber life cycle. Use it to care for cashmere, wool, cotton, or other delicate knits. Love it, make it, soak it. There you go. And so that's it, and there's nothing else in the Knit Crate. And so that is your Knit Crate for April 2020. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel. I do have a discount code if you'd like to try Knitcrate for the very first time. There is a link in the description box below, and if you use the code LOOPY20, you can save 20% on your first Knitcrate. Thanks again for watching, happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.